How to download and install InZOI. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So open up a browser and type in InZOI and you should be finding this on your interface. So if you want to download it, you may head over and here you should be finding an easy method called Steam. So you may just go ahead and download Steam if you don't have it, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. So here you may look for the description of the game, and once you look for it, you should be finding option called Buy InZOI. This is something you need to pay for it, and all you gotta do is add it to cart after you're okay with it. And once you do that, you may continue shopping and then go on with the payment method of InZOI and then go ahead and install it on your device, and that's it. So that is how you download and install InZOI using Steam. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.